Good morning, students. Good morning, everybody. Welcome to my class. Today, I'm going to continue the topic Basic Proportionality Theorem or Thales Theorem from class 10 Mathematics. In the previous session, we have learned about the theorem. We have also learned how to prove it, and we have solved few problems based on it. Today, I'm going to show you the converse theorem of basic proportionality theorem. Okay, what is the converse theorem? It says that if a line intersect any two sides of a triangle in the same ratio, then the line is parallel to the third side. Parallel to the third side. So here you can see that DE is a line which intersect AB at D and AC at E in such a way that AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. Then the line DE will be parallel to BC. The line DE is parallel to BC. So if AD upon DB is equals to AE upon EC, then DE is parallel to BC. So this is the theorem, converse theorem. If so, that means if these two ratios are equal, then we can show that the lines are parallel. Means we can apply this theorem to prove a line parallel to any one side of a triangle. Okay. So let me solve problem based on this theorem. It is given in the question AD equals to 3.9 centimeter, DB is 3 centimeter, this is 3.6 centimeter AE, and this is 2.4 centimeter. It is given that AD equals to 3.9 centimeter, DB is 3 centimeter, AE is 3.6 centimeter, and EC is 2.4 centimeter. Let me change the value little bit. Let me write it 4.5 centimeter. Okay. So here AD upon DB is 4.5 upon 3, that is 1.5. AE upon EC is 3.6 upon 2.4. So this is also 1.5. Therefore, we can say that AD upon DB is equals to AE upon EC. So ratios are equal. Therefore, we can say that DE is parallel to BC by converse of Thales theorem. Converse of Thales theorem. So the question was asked to check whether DE is parallel to BC, and the related values are given here, as you can see. So by calculation, we found that the ratio between AD and DB is same as the ratio between AE and EC. Therefore, we can say that the lines are parallel using converse of Thales theorem or converse of basic proportionality theorem. Okay. So one more sum. So we have learned the midpoint theorem in class 9, where it says the line joining the midpoints of any two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side. So let me prove that one also here. Suppose ABC is a triangle. ABC is a triangle. D and E are the midpoints of AB and AC respectively. D is the midpoint of AB and E is the midpoint of AC. We have to prove that DE is parallel to BC. Okay. So given in triangle ABC, D and E are the midpoints of AB and AC respectively. To prove DE parallel to BC and proof. So since D is the midpoint of AB, therefore we can say AD equals to DB. D is the midpoint, so AD and DB are equal, which implies we can write AD upon DB, dividing both sides by DB, we get 1. So this is equation number 1. Now the other side AC, since E is the midpoint of AC, then we can write AE is equals to EC. E is the midpoint, so these two parts are equal. So AE equals to EC, which implies we can write AE upon EC is equals to 1, dividing both sides by EC. So this is equation number 2. So now see these two equations. The right hand side of both the equations are equal to 1. Therefore, from these two equations we can say that AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. So from 1 and 2 we get AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. Therefore we can say that DE is parallel to BC, converse of Thales theorem. So this is proved. Okay, isn't it? The sum was very easy. In class 9 we have done it a little bit in elaborate method. So many things were there in class 9, but in class 10 using Thales theorem this can be done in very short and simple method and easy also. Okay, understood? Very good. Just go through it. D is the midpoint, so AD equals to DB. Therefore, dividing both sides by DB, we get AD upon DB equals to 1. Similarly, E is the midpoint of AC, so AE equals to EC. Dividing both sides by EC, we get AE upon EC is equals to EC upon EC. That is 1. So the right hand side of both the equations are equal. Therefore, left hand sides are also equal. So we have got equal ratio on both sides. AD upon DB is equals to AE upon EC. Now since the ratios are equal, therefore the lines are parallel according to the converse of basic proportionality theorem or Thales theorem. Okay. The next question, PQR is a triangle and inside PQR there is another triangle. Just see the figure first, then I will explain it. What is the question? It is given in the question. A, B and C are points on A, B and C. This is A, this is B and this is C. A, B and C are points on this OP, OQ and OR respectively. A is the point on OP, B is the point on OQ and C is the point on OR of triangle PQR, where O is any point inside the triangle. In such a way that AB is parallel to PQ, AC is parallel to PR. We have to prove that BC is also parallel to QR. So as you can see from the diagram, in triangle PQR, there is a point in the interior of triangle PQR, O, OP, OQ and OR are joined. Now on OP there is a point A, on OQ there is a point B and on OR there is a point C, such that AB is parallel to PQ, AC is parallel to PR. We have to prove that BC is parallel to QR. So given in triangle PQR, O is any point inside triangle PQR. A, B and C are points on OP, OQ and OR respectively, such that AB is parallel to PQ, AC is parallel to PR. We have to prove BC is parallel to QR. Now the proof. So though the diagram looks very critical, but the sum is very easy and very simple one. Just we have to apply the knowledge of Thales theorem and its converse. So first of all, let me consider triangle OPQ. In triangle OPQ, it is given that AB is parallel to PQ. AB parallel to PQ. So if AB is parallel to PQ, then using Thales theorem, we can write OA upon AP is equals to OB upon BQ. Just the triangle OPQ. So AB is parallel to PQ. Therefore, we can say OA upon OP is equals to OB upon BQ. OA upon AP is equals to OB upon BQ. This is Thales theorem or basic proportionality theorem. So let me make it equation number 1. Now let me take the triangle OPR, this triangle. In triangle OPR, AC is parallel to PR. It is given in the question, AC is parallel to PR. Therefore, see, if AC is parallel to PR, so by Thales theorem we can write OA upon AP is equals to OC upon CR. OA upon AP is equals to OC upon CR. This is also Thales theorem. This is equation number 2. Now see, the left hand side of both the equations are equal. OA upon AP, here also OA upon AP. So we can say that the right hand sides are also equal. OB upon BQ is equals to OC upon CR. So from 1 and 2 we get OB upon BQ is equals to OC upon CR. That is OB upon BQ is equals to OC upon CR. So just consider this triangle. Consider this triangle. So we have got that the ratio OB upon BQ is equals to OC upon CR. So by using the converse of Thales theorem, we can write BC parallel to QR. Converse of Thales theorem. Hence, the theorem is proved. Just go through it. As I have told you, though the sum looks very difficult and a huge diagram is also there, but the solution is very easy and the simple one. Just go through it. So in this type of theorem, you will get these type of sums only, where we have to use the basic proportionality theorem, that is the Thales theorem, and its converse. All the sums are based on this type. Okay, so I hope you have got enough confidence and the concept is clear by now. So if any question comes based on this theorem, then you can easily answer the question. Okay, and I have full confidence on you. So go on practicing few more sums from the textbook NCERT related to this topic, and also practice sums from other sources like sample papers are there. So many sample papers are there in the market. Some other books, good books are also there in the market. Just go through the questions based on this topic and try to do the sums given there. Okay, you can also practice sums from previous year board exam papers. That will also help you a lot. So let me conclude the class today. Let us meet in the next session, where I will show you the different types of problems based on similar triangles. Okay, so let us meet in the next class. Till then, goodbye and have a nice day.